had passed since the first successful Million People March in Luneta. But the anti-pork protesters did not forget. Now they have taken to the streets of Makati the second Million People March to reiterate their demand to scrap the pork barrel system.
Groups from different converging areas came together at the foot of the Ninoy Aquino statue along the streets of Ayala and Paseo de Rojas in Makati.
At patuloy pong dumadami yung ating hanay.
Militant groups continued their rally against the pork barrel system in Ayala Friday, bringing with them an effigy of a golden pig, which they say refers to the golden idols worshipped during biblical times. The protest groups from various sectors said that the pork barrel system and the disbursement allocation program are the government's way of perpetuating the corrupt system of patronage.
Well, like all Filipinos, I'm very angry about the pork barrel situation. We've been protesting na for a long time, no, iba-ibang groups. Ang gusto talaga namin magbigay ng pressure sa government to really listen to the voice of the people. Galit na ang mga tao and you cannot ignore na yung mga boses ng mga tao.
Para sa akin, iintulad ko ang nangyayari sa bayan ngayon na sa ilalim, nagbabaga na ang damdamin ng taong bayan. At pagka yung hangin o espiritu ng katotohanan ay dumating, yan ang magpapaliyab yan. Huwag sanang hintayin ng palasyo.
Anet Lynn Napoles, pero bakit ako lang, sabi niya. So kailangan lang magpatuloy ang hustisya para makulong yung just as guilty katulad ni Janet. If they have to be our senators, our congressmen from kahit ano pa mang partido, dapat lamang there should be an end to impunity here in our country.
Hundreds of police forces were deployed as security within Makati was tightened. Apart from the anti-pork protesters, people from all walks of life favored as well the abolition of the graft-ridden pork barrel.
What's your stand on the abolition of the pork barrel?
I support it.
You support it. Why is it?
Well, the pork bar has to go to the right people and the right expenses. I mean, what's happening with the pork barrel now is basically being used by our politicians for their own personal needs.
Unang-una, dapat tanggalin ng pork barrel dahil isa pa sa pagsisimula ng corrupt natin ng mga nakaupo sa pwesto. Merong mang tapat, merong mang hindi, pero usually karamihan nagagamit kung saan-saan, kagaya nung kay Napoles.
Sa amin po, stand po namin po nun is kailangan na po talaga siyang i-abolish kasi naging root po siya ng evilness po dun sa mga natin, sa mga corp government natin.
What do you think is the most concrete action that this administration has to do in order to stop this saga of corruption, pork barrel corruption?
I think they should, if they're planning to continue with the pork barrel, what they should do is to come up with a system to safeguard it, to make sure that it goes where it should go.
Puro rin, repasuhin nila na maigi kung saan nila dapat ilagay ang pork barrel.
Dapat po muna, bigyan po ng lakas po yung batas natin. Dapat po, pananagutin yung mga taong may kasalanan about dun po sa tapos, mag-isip po sila ng way para maayos po yung problem. In sense na kung ano po ba yung the best na magagamit po. At mas applicable po sa government po na.
And that's all for a primer at the Million People March at Ayala. This is Julian Love, the Suisse of Inquirer.net, reporting.